Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a DIY fish tank. First, carefully plan your tank's size and placement. Consider the weight of a filled tank, which can be hundreds of pounds, and avoid direct sunlight to prevent algae. Next, determine the correct glass thickness. For example, a 10-gallon tank might use 1/4 inch glass. Finally, gather all necessary materials, including aquarium-safe silicone and a glass cutter, ensuring you have everything ready before starting. Now, let's move on to preparing your glass. Measure and cut your glass panels with precision, ensuring all pieces fit together perfectly. After cutting, it's crucial to smooth any sharp edges using fine grit sandpaper or a specialized grinding tool. This step prevents injuries and ensures a better seal. Finally, clean all glass surfaces with rubbing alcohol to remove any oils or debris, which is vital for the silicone to bond correctly. With your glass prepared, it's time for assembly. Begin by applying a consistent, generous bead of aquarium-safe silicone along the edges of your bottom glass panel. Then, carefully position the side panels onto the bottom, pressing them firmly into the silicone. Use painter's tape or clamps to hold the panels securely in place. Allow the silicone to cure completely for at least 24 hours, or as recommended by the manufacturer, before proceeding. After the initial cure, apply a second, thin layer of silicone to all interior seams. This reinforces the seals and provides extra waterproofing, giving you peace of mind. Once this second layer has fully cured, it's time to test your tank. Fill it with water in a safe, easily accessible area, like a garage or outdoors, and let it sit for at least 24 hours to check for any leaks. If you're looking for other great deals, including those leak-proof containers for meal prep, be sure to check the description below for links and more information.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.